Today you join me with this Porsche 928. The interior is very original, but it's looking a little bit tired and quite dirty in places, just from years of use and not being cared for properly. The owners dropped it down to us to do a couple of repairs, but also to give the car a deep clean. So we're going to use our range of cleaning products, and we're just going to show you the process and the befores and what we can achieve using our range of products. I'm going to let you watch Lorenzo go through this interior and turn it from this grubby interior to something beautiful, ready to go out and enjoy. As you've seen, Lorenzo's been working really hard on this 928 interior. It's come up absolutely fantastically. He's been using our range of cleaning products. If you need any more information on these products, or you'd like to buy some for your own car, head on over to the website, or if you've got any questions, drop them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.